When it comes to multimeters, Fluke is the brand professionals trust. In this video, we'll break down the top 5 Fluke multimeters for electricians, HVAC techs, engineers, and industrial users. Let's start with the Fluke 87V Max True RMS Industrial Multimeter, the rugged powerhouse of the Fluke family. Designed specifically for the harshest industrial environments, this multimeter is waterproof, dustproof, and drop-tested up to 4 meters. It features an IP67 rating, making it perfect for environments where dust and moisture are unavoidable. But the 87V Max isn't just about toughness. It delivers outstanding performance. With true RMS accuracy, it reads non-linear loads accurately, and it comes with a built-in thermometer, so there's no need to carry an extra device on the job. The extended battery life of up to 800 hours ensures it won't fail you during long days in the field. It's a go-to choice for engineers working in heavy industrial or high-voltage environments who need a meter that can endure punishment while delivering pinpoint accuracy. Next is the Fluke 117 Electrician's Multimeter, which has become a favorite for electricians and maintenance professionals. One standout feature is its Volt Alert technology, allowing non-contact voltage detection, ideal for quick safety checks without the need for additional tools. It also has autovolt functionality, which automatically selects between AC and DC voltage, reducing the chances of errors. This unit is compact, easy to carry, and equipped with a large LED backlight display that enhances visibility in dark or tight workspaces. The 117 offers true RMS readings, meaning it accurately measures voltage and current, even in environments with harmonics or nonlinear loads. For those who frequently deal with commercial or residential wiring, this multimeter offers convenience, safety, and precision. The Fluke 179 True RMS Multimeter is another strong contender, offering broad versatility for both industrial and field work. It covers everything a general-purpose technician might need: accurate readings of voltage, current, resistance, frequency, continuity, and capacitance. But what sets it apart is the built-in thermometer, a useful addition that allows quick thermal readings without an extra tool. It features a large, easy-to-read display complete with an analog bar graph, aiding fast data interpretation. Designed with electricians, automation specialists, and electronics repair professionals in mind, the Fluke 179 delivers reliability and thorough functionality in one compact device. Its consistent accuracy makes it a long-term investment for any serious professional. If you're an HVAC technician, the Fluke 116 HVAC multimeter is purpose-built for your line of work. This model features a built-in thermometer for measuring temperature and microamp measurements for testing flame sensors, both essential for diagnosing heating and cooling issues. What makes the 116 particularly reliable in HVAC scenarios is its low input impedance, which helps prevent ghost voltage readings and ensures accurate diagnostics. The large LED backlight is another thoughtful feature, making it easier to work in dark utility closets or behind appliances. For HVAC professionals, this tool strikes the perfect balance between specialized measurement capabilities and general multimeter functions. Rounding out our list is the Fluke 115 Compact True RMS Digital Multimeter, an ideal choice for field service technicians and general electrical work. This compact, lightweight multimeter covers all the basics, measuring AC/DC voltage and current, resistance, frequency, continuity, and capacitance. It provides true RMS accuracy, which is critical when working with complex or nonlinear electrical loads. Its portability makes it an excellent everyday carry for technicians who need a reliable, no-fuss device on the go. Despite its smaller form factor, the 115 still delivers Fluke-grade precision and safety, carrying a Cat 3 600-volt rating. It's a solid all-rounder that balances performance, durability, and ease of use. Thanks for watching. For links to each of these products, check the description below. Stay sharp, stay safe, and keep measuring with confidence.